Okay, welcome back. StHealthy Nutrition. I'm Dr. Hillary. Today we're going to make one of our household's favorite, as you can imagine, chocolate coconut coffee iced smoothie today. Okay, so let's start. Super easy. We're going to take half a cup of water and we're going to add some ice to that so it's nice and cold. We've got some coconut cream. I like the thick coconut cream you get out of the can. That's the best. Also doesn't have all the other crud in it. So we use some instant coffee. Made it up. You can make whatever. You could use espresso. You could make your favorite coffee that you like. Instant is super quick. And then you take a scoop of the Bone Broth Protein Plus powder. Put it in there. And blend. Hey Ryan, you want to come taste this? Ah, what do you think? That's good. 2 thumbs up.